coffee with the rain. Finishing the coffee in the car.
Cheers. Had to move in. Started raining.
Yeah.
And we haven't started hiking yet. We have to drive over to the trailhead. And jump out, get the umbrellas up, and walk.
Oh, we have two umbrellas?
Oh, I do. You've got a raincoat on. You don't need it. I need one. See, it's even eating into the riverbank. It's eroding a bit.
Quite wavy.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's quite a wavy bridge. Martynka wouldn't like it. Shaky.
Oh, really nice.
Martina on this?
Yeah, because we're going on a bear hunt.
Not me. No bear hunts here.
Perfect bear grazing.
For the actor. I thought I just woke up, I wasn't thinking about it, and it gave me such a spin.
You can just take a picture of it. They changed the trail over the years. You stay really close to the edge, but it looks pretty nice. Wow.
Gorgeous. Fantasyland. I came here on my birthday in 2021. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's make something out of this. Gorgeous. Two and a half hours now. Much easier now. Eric is ahead of me. It's a bear country, of course. I don't like that. But there are people behind as well, so there's safety net around. so hot.